It is day 2 of my road trip in South Africa, and today I'm driving from Graaff-Reinet to Oudtshoorn. In this video, I'm going to see the wonder tree.
That tree really was wonderful.
What a wonder, wow. Potentially swim in the Maringspoort waterfall. I really want to have a swim. I have to be honest, I'm a little bit scared. Drink wine and a beautiful vineyard. Let's go. And I'll be staying the night in a boat on land. Wow, welcome inside. Let's go. Day 2, we are back on the road. We're actually not back on the road yet, we're just getting petrol. We will see you back on the road. We are back on the road again. We've just been driving on this road now. It's literally the straightest road I've ever seen in my life. But we are around 2 hours away from Maringspoort waterfall. I'm very excited. Now it looks like we're going to be driving through the mountains, which is going to be beautiful, I'm sure. There's a dam all over there, and it's actually quite sad because this whole dam, as you can see, is actually dried up because it's so boiling in the crew out here that there's no rain. But this is beautiful, so that helps. YouTube, it's such an amazing thing, and because of it I'm able to travel with my dad. We're doing an amazing road trip across Africa, which is unbelievable. Makes you realize how amazing Africa is, and I'm excited to explore more of it because before YouTube I never thought I would be doing these things, or I would be able to do these experiences, or even have the intention of going to these places, you know. So I am thankful that I'm doing it. I'm excited for the journey, and I'm thankful for anyone that's watching this video. Please like the video because it helps the algorithm and it helps me doing more of these experiences as well and bringing you guys along for the journey. Let's get back to the drive. We are on our way from Graaff-Reinet. We are making our way to Oudtshoorn, and we just stopped on the side of the road because we came across this tree that is boxed in by a fence, and it's called a wonderboom, which in English is a wonder tree, and it is wonderful.
The wonder tree, approximately 12 kilometers from Willowmore, the wonderboom, wonder tree, is found. Here, 2 trees, namely the Gerrit tree and the shepherd's tree, grow next to each other. 2 of the stems have joined each other, forming an eye of a needle, and the 3rd stem has grown through the eye, forming the thread, thus wonderfully creating a needle and thread effect. In about 1906, this unique tree was discovered. It was only when this road was tarred in 1961 that people gave it more attention. In recent years, the tree was fenced off to protect it from being grazed and from destruction. The wonder tree can be hundreds of years old.
Wow, that is honestly so cool. My dad has driven past this tree so many times and he's never stopped, and he doesn't know why. So that's another point of why YouTube is so amazing. It gives us a reason to try get content and go have a look at this amazing sighting.
That tree really was wonderful.
What a wonder. Wow. You were wondering, and
don't need
wow.
to wonder anymore.
Back to the drive. Let's go. We have just stopped off in a little town called the Rust. We are pretty tired. I just had a little nap. I was literally exhausted. I was trying to do a little bit of work, but I actually just couldn't. I couldn't keep my eyes open, to be honest. After that power nap, I'm feeling a little bit better. I'm feeling a little bit more energized. But we move.
My name is George Constable. I was born 1977 in the Rest, and I'm living for a long time in the Rest. The living is very hard, not working, 2 children, 1 wife, flowers, and then you go to the farm.
Well, your flowers are beautiful.
It's a beautiful flower. I want to buy something for my mom.
You've got to see this to believe it. It's like hard to explain how incredible this part is. The different colors of the rock and the height of the rock on the outside. It's like an engineering feat that they were able to even build this road.
We are currently driving through the Swartberg Pass, and it is unbelievable. It is so beautiful. It just puts it into perspective how tiny we are driving through these mountains. We're about to head up to the Maringspoort waterfall. Let's go. I really want to have a swim. I have to be honest, I'm a little bit scared. But if you ever do come here, jump in the water. I hope it's summer for your sake. It's currently winter here, so that's why I'm not. I will see you guys back on the road. Let's get going. Bye. Whoa, I almost just fell. Now we are heading out. We're going to go to the Krantz Vineyard, so I will see you guys there. This looks amazing.
This is so cool.
Cheers, buddy. This is unbelievable. Let's go. Then we arrived in Oudtshoorn and made our way to Mount Noah, where we stayed the night in a boat on land. I documented my stay there, showcasing the room, the bathroom, the upper deck, the awesome view, and where to eat in Oudtshoorn. If you want to see an in-depth tour of Oudtshoorn and Mount Noah, click the video that pops up in the top right corner of this video. So, that is everything that we did in Oudtshoorn and at Mount Noah. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Captain, let's go. Now it looks like we're driving, can't speak. Okay, so he said he was selling flowers and he said he wanted some cash to go buy some bread for his mother. So I said, oh wow, happy Mother's Day. And then he was like, no, I'm a father. And then I was like, happy Father's Day. And then I don't remember what happened after that. I think we laughed.
What happened to the flowers? I thought we were supposed to have bought them.
No, he kept them. He needed to sell them to another person, you know.